As the debate over who used chemical weapons in Syria continues, the Syrian National Coalition held its symposium in Turkey to discuss this issue. Mihail Badavit reports from Istanbul.
Participants in the symposium discussed the legal, military and medical implications about the use of chemical weapons in Syria. Until now, there have been conflicting views on which side used the nerve agent sarin, President Bashar al-Assad's security forces or the rebels. The UN says it has inconclusive evidence. U.S. Defense Secretary Chuck Hagel said the U.S. has some degree of variant confidence that the Syrian government used sarin. And members of the Syrian National Council attending the symposium insist they have proof.
We have samples that prove the gas sarin has been used, and we are ready to give it to an international committee that can test it for evidence.
But the Council's alleged forensic evidence that someone died from sarin exposure doesn't prove who used it. The UN has distanced itself from remarks made by one of its investigators on Sunday that there was strong concrete suspicions that the rebels used chemicals, a suspicion shared by the Syrian government but rejected by the US. The facts remain unclear. All parties to this dispute agree on one thing. The proven use of chemical weapons in Syria's largest city, Aleppo, would amount to a red line that can't be tolerated by the international community. All have called on the United Nations to sort out the truth. Mihail Badavit, CCTV, Istanbul.